This is my little get the gears turning wall art project. I like the idea of doing something with gears, like getting the gears turning. I wanted to make something for this space in front of my desk, and I thought it would be fun to have something that's kind of encouraging and interactive that I could like play with a little bit when I'm frustrated. I didn't really know anything about electronics or circuits, but I had the kit and I thought it would be fun to just start tinkering with it. I spent a little time learning just kind of like how everything works. I tried out a bunch of ideas, some of them worked, some of them didn't, and then I just kind of like kept refining it and adding to it. I'm excited to try more projects with it. I really want to try out the ink. But I think what's cool is that you can like customize everything. So you could use, you could use different modules, you could make something else and attach it to the motor, you could put different text or like do a picture, you could really do anything.